Assistant School Division Superintendent, Bakla Army Civilian Nueva, Island District 1, Surrogate, Ma'am LCA Usman, Island District 1 Supervisor, Ma'am Mirna M. Sarabudin, Wardil School Principal, Ma'am Hamida T. Ismael, our beloved teachers, visitors, our loving parents, my fellow computers, and friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. It is indeed with great pride and joy to deliver this speech in behalf of the kindergarten class 2021 computers. My name is Prince Raymond A. Atilano, 6 so, Kinder 8. To begin with, I would like to thank you, our Almighty God, who has always been our protector and our good provider. Without Him, we can do nothing. Also, I wish to thank our beloved teachers for the great job that led us to the finish line of our kindergarten journey. Thank you, Ma'am Gigi and Ma'am Joy. Thank you so much to our loving parents. Thank you for the incomparable support that is the show of giving us along our way as little learners. You are the ultimate reasons why we are here today. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. My fellow computers, please stand up.
Wait muna. Hintayin mo sila na tumayo. Okay, pag sinabi ng kaklase nyo, tayo na. Everybody, tayo. Tayo na. Makinig, pakinggan ang ating inyong computers. Okay.
Let's give a flying kisses to our parents and love. And say thank you to our loving parents.
Sabi daw, thank you, Mama and Papa. Everybody say.
Thank you.
Okay.
At our kindergarten year end, let us all continue to grow, learn, and hopefully succeed as we step onto the high